Rakuten Review 2025 worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Rakuten in 2025 isn't just another cashback website, it's a full-featured rewards ecosystem that can transform the way you shop, save, and even manage your finances. You won't believe how much you can actually earn by using Rakuten's app and browser extension strategically. And today we're diving into everything you need to know before deciding whether Rakuten is worth it or better left alone. What is Rakuten? Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates, is a rewards platform that allows users to earn cashback for online and in-store purchases. Founded in 1997 in Japan and expanding globally, Rakuten has grown to partner with thousands of retailers and brands. By 2025, Rakuten is not just about cashback anymore. It now offers online and in-store cashback, Rakuten credit card with enhanced rewards, special promotions, and limited time offers, travel deals including flights, hotels, and vacation packages, referral bonuses, and friend rewards, mobile app with instant notifications for deals and offers. The core idea remains simple. Earn rewards automatically when shopping at participating retailers, but the ecosystem has expanded to include financial tools and travel perks. How Rakuten works. Most people assume using Rakuten is complicated, but it's actually straightforward. 1. Sign up : create a free account via the website or mobile app. 2. Shop through Rakuten : click on a retailer link through the Rakuten platform before making a purchase. This can be done via desktop, mobile, or the browser extension. 3. Earn cashback : a percentage of your purchase is credited to your Rakuten account. Rates vary by retailer, product category, and promotional periods. 4. Get paid : cashback is paid quarterly via PayPal or check, though the app sometimes offers instant cashback options. Pro tip: install the Rakuten browser extension. It automatically alerts you to cashback opportunities whenever you visit a supported retailer. Rakuten account types. Rakuten is free to join for everyone, but there are a few optional features that enhance the experience. Standard account free: earn cashback on purchases, access deals, and receive notifications. Rakuten credit card optional: offers additional cashback, especially for purchases made at partner stores or online. Referral program: invite friends and earn extra rewards when they make their first purchase. No subscription fees are required, making it a low risk, high reward option for anyone who shops online. Cashback and rewards. Rakuten's primary value is its cashback system which has evolved in 2025. Online purchases: earn 1-40% cashback depending on the retailer and promotion. Popular stores like Walmart, Target, and Macy's often offer 5-10% or higher during special events. In-store purchases: link your credit or debit card and earn cashback at participating brick-and-mortar retailers. Travel bookings: earn cashback on flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. Special promotions: seasonal or limited time offers can significantly increase cashback rates. Example: Sarah buys $200 worth of clothing from a participating retailer with a 10% cashback offer. She earns $20 credited to her Rakuten account, which can be paid out later via PayPal. Rakuten credit card. For frequent shoppers, the Rakuten credit card can maximize rewards. Cashback boost: earn additional 1-3% on top of standard cashback when shopping online. No annual fee: the card is free to maintain. Global acceptance: works wherever MasterCard is accepted. Integration with Rakuten app: track all purchases and cashback rewards in one place. Pro tip: use the Rakuten credit card for all Rakuten-linked purchases to combine credit card rewards with platform cashback for maximum benefit. Using Rakuten for travel. By 2025, Rakuten has expanded into travel deals, allowing users to earn cashback while booking. Hotels: earn 2-10% cashback on hotel bookings worldwide. Flights: earn a small percentage on flight bookings with major airlines. Vacation packages: bundle travel elements and get additional cashback. Car rentals: earn cashback on rental services globally. Example: Mark books a $1,000 hotel stay through Rakuten with a 5% cashback offer. He earns $50 credited to his account, essentially reducing the cost of the trip. Mobile app features. The Rakuten app in 2025 has several user-friendly features. Deal notifications: instant alerts for high cashback opportunities. Barcode scanner: scan and store items to check if cashback is available. Account management: track cashback, set goals, and withdraw earnings easily. Referral tracking: see who signed up through your referral and bonus rewards earned. Pro tip: enable push notifications to never miss high-value deals or limited time promotions. Pros of Rakuten. Easy to use: simple interface for desktop, mobile, and browser extension. Wide retailer network: thousands of online and in-store partners worldwide. Flexible payouts: receive cashback via PayPal or check. No subscription fees: free to join and use. Additional features: travel deals, referral bonuses, and a credit card option. Cons of Rakuten. Quarterly payout schedule: standard payouts occur every 3 months, which can delay access to funds. Variable cashback rates: rates fluctuate depending on promotions and retailer policies. Tracking issues: occasionally, purchases may not track properly if links aren't clicked correctly or if ad blockers interfere. Limited high cashback options: some retailers offer minimal cashback, especially during non-promotional periods. Real-world example. Consider Emily, an online shopper and frequent traveler. She uses Rakuten for everyday purchases like groceries, clothing, and electronics. Emily links her Rakuten credit card for extra cashback. She also books vacations and hotels through Rakuten, earning additional cashback on travel. Emily withdraws her earnings quarterly and reinvests them in holiday savings. Outcome: Emily accumulates hundreds of dollars annually in cashback without changing her spending habits, making Rakuten a passive income tool for savvy shoppers. Tips for maximizing Rakuten. 1. Use the browser extension : ensure every online purchase is tracked automatically. 2. Stack promotions: combine cashback with store coupons or seasonal discounts for extra savings. 3. Link a credit card: use the